It only feels right to do a pumpkin edition of my Greek yogurt cheesecake. So 1 slice of this cheesecake, remember it's made with Greek yogurt, only 110 calories. That's for a 9-inch pie plate, 8 servings. It's only 11 carbs, 3 fat, and 11 protein. And so a lot of times I make sure that I have 2 slices of this because hey, it's 200 calories and 20 grams protein. For the cake mix in standard recipe, I am using cinnamon streusel. If I would have been able to find pumpkin bread mix, our grocery store did not have it. I was gonna use that. For my pudding, I was also looking for the pumpkin pudding mix. Ours does not carry it yet. So I'm doing butterscotch, which I have done in years past. And then I'm doing a combo of pumpkin pie spice extract, vanilla extract, and then adding canned pumpkin. So I think it's gonna be a really yummy recipe. It's perfect for fall. And then look at this find. That's right, it is pumpkin spice whipped cream. So that's gonna taste so nice on this cheesecake. 2 tablespoons is only 15 calories, so you can't beat it. And then you know what else is fun? If you get some sugar-free caramel syrup and you can put that on this cheesecake, but it's in, I'm gonna get it going. Like, I think it's gonna be perfect for the fall. Let me show you how I'm mixing up the recipe. I'll get it in the oven for 33 minutes and then we'll do a taste test later. Look at that. Now that looks like a real pumpkin cheesecake. So the cheesecake's ready to go. The only changes I really made to the base recipe was adding the canned pumpkin. And this is just a half serving on the label, so it's 62 grams canned pumpkin. And then I'm gonna add chocolate chips because I think pumpkin and chocolate is a nice little twist. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon, 14 grams of mini chips in there. And then today for my cake, I went with a cinnamon streusel muffin mix. I thought that would be nice. So I used 33 grams of that. And then I did measure out some of the streusel topping that I'm gonna put on top of the cheesecake. So that'll be tasty. And then I did a combo of pumpkin pie spice extract and vanilla. And I added a little extra cinnamon and pumpkin. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. We're gonna do a taste test later. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get it into my pan, into the oven, 350 for 33 minutes, just like my other normal cheesecake recipe, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it looks pretty good. You can see that like brown sugar topping and the mini chips. It's a nice crust and a crack on top. So we're gonna give it a little taste here. Look how creamy that is. Oh yeah, that's really good. That tastes just like pumpkin cheesecake. I think the only change I might make is maybe instead of 2 teaspoons of pumpkin extract and the pumpkin spice, I might choose one or the other. And if I don't do the pumpkin extract, I think I would actually do butter extract or caramel. Yep, that's a keeper. 110 calories per slice. That's 2 servings. Okay, so pumpkin cheesecake. There you have it. It is so delicious. I cannot wait for you to make this one this fall. Might be a perfect one to bring to your Thanksgiving gathering or maybe a Halloween party, because remember, that protein's gonna fill you up. We all love a good low calorie, low carb dessert so you can have more of it and it just tastes good. Can't wait to hear how you like it. Hey, and don't forget, for full recipes or more recipes like this one, especially if you have a sweet tooth, don't forget to check me out on Instagram. That's where I share a ton of the way that I think around food and my recipes. And if you are coming back to the channel, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you're here. I love sharing my taste of the season with you and my, flexible dieting approach around my food and around my nutrition. So, hey, welcome. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. Comment below, what desserts would you guys like to see more of? And don't forget to let me know if you try out this one.